Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is 𝒻𝑜𝓊𝓃𝒹. So my channel is basically here to answer a lot of questions that Nigerians have about a lot of things and we don't see the answer on YouTube. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is 𝒻𝑜𝓊𝓃𝒹. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the Amazon clip light, Aliexpress light, blah blah blah. I already unboxed it on my TikTok. Please follow me. Thank you. I already unboxed it on my TikTok, but I just want to give you guys an honest review of this light because I've had it for like a week now or 2 weeks. So I want to tell you if it's really worth the hype, if you should buy it as a content creator or as a personal user, maybe for yourself, or you should go for something more like this. This is my LED 600U 600 plus light, something something. So let's get into the video. It comes with a manual, normal stuff. They tell you what is inside, and please excuse my lighting today. I don't know why the sun is not sunning for me and it's disturbing my videos. Anyways, so it comes with a manual. Then this is the light. Can you see how small it is, like my hand? Then comes with a charger, so you can use your power bank with it. You can take it anywhere with you. And it comes with a clip and another type of clip that you can use for your phone, so you can attach this to the back of your phone, and you can also attach it to your tripod, so you can use it to make videos like something like this, but you attach it to your tripod. So that's what comes in the box. First thing I'm going to say about this light, I'm going to talk about the advantages of this light. Number one, I like the fact that it is portable. You can see how small it is. You can just attach it to your phone, make your videos anywhere you are. It's not like a ring light that you have to plug to electricity, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to do like 1 million setup before you get it. This one is just perfect. You can plug it anywhere, you can use it anytime. Just plug it to your phone and you are good. Thing I'll say I love about the light is that it has three settings. So when you turn it on, you can increase the volume of the light. I'm sure you can't see anything right now because we are using natural light, but you can increase the volume of the light. Then you can tap on it to change the settings, because you have the cool setting, you have the warm setting, and you have the cold setting. Another thing about it is that the battery lasts a lot, so at least like an hour. It's on, you are not you are using it, it's on and you're using it, so it comes on for like a whole hour. Another advantage of this light is that it is rechargeable, so you you can use it anytime, anywhere you want. You don't need to have a generator to create content with this light. You can just charge it. You can even charge it with your power bank and it's going to work. I would say it's good for content creators that go out a lot. So let's say your content is not inside the house. Maybe you're always going to restaurants to film videos at restaurants. You're always going out to the club. You're always going to concerts. You're going to places that you don't really get good lighting. So it's very good for outdoor content. It is actually really bright, but with natural light, it is not doing much. It's not doing much right now with normal natural light. Like you can't even see anything. But if I bring down my window, let's try it. Window is down now. Can you see? Let's increase the volume to the highest. The light is blinding. I can't even see much. But I'll clip it to my phone. It's too heavy. It's too heavy, oh. But it works, sha. It works. It's more like you're putting a torchlight on your face. but it's just a more glamorous touchlight, I guess. And it doesn't work from far. Like if you are really far, you can't really see the impact. So the thing has to be closer to you like this. So maybe if I bring my phone closer and I clip it on, so I think it's bright enough compared to when it's off. You can see the difference. The light is off versus when the light is on. It works. It does something. So I'm making this video because I don't want people to influence you to buy something that you really don't need. So that's why I'm going to compare it with this light to show you that do you really need it or do you not really need it. So now let's go to the disadvantages. Number one disadvantage of this light, doesn't work from far, so it has to be really close to you before you can see the impact. And even with that, with natural light itself, you can see that it doesn't do so much. So it's good for when you're in a dark place. Number two, I think I prefer it for back camera, like when you want to take videos with your back camera or pictures. It's very good for pictures, but when it comes to videos, I don't know. Me, I don't go out, so I don't go to restaurants and all those places to know if it is actually like restaurant worthy. But I've seen people use it in restaurants, in clubs, and I think it works well. It's in the night and it works really well for that kind of setting. But the kind of content I create, I'm a makeup content creation. I'm a makeup content creator, so I I already have this one, and this one does like a lot for me compared to this. So this doesn't really do so much for me. So at the point I even thought maybe I should sell it safe because it's not doing so much for me. But for someone that likes going out, if you go out a lot or you go out at night, this is perfect for you. Or you go to those restaurants that they don't have good lights, and like I went to one last year with my friends and I was like, I couldn't make any video because everywhere was so dark. The lighting was ridiculous. So we could not do anything. So it's very good for outdoors. But for indoor content creation, I'm afraid you are going to need another light to support it. If you are someone that maybe you do makeup like me now, you're inside your house, you don't really need it. Another thing I noticed about this light is that it is actually heavy on your phone. It weighs your phone down. So like when you put it on your phone, it's actually very heavy. Makes your phone so heavy. So if you're outside, your phone is going to weigh like times two, but that might not be a really big problem for anyone. So I can't say, but it weighs your phone down a lot. So now let's compare with this light. This one does not need direct electricity to work. So you don't need to wait for NEPA before you create your content. This on the other hand, you need NEPA before you can create content. And in Nigeria, it's very difficult. You always have to wait till they bring light, or unless you have a generator. I had to force myself to buy a generator to create content because of this light. This light has a battery slot at the back, but the batteries don't last. Like my battery stopped working. I bought this thing in November and my battery stopped working in December. Like follow come battery that came with it stopped working. So it's kind of pointless using thinking that, oh, because it's rechargeable, you need light. There's nothing like rechargeable. That rechargeable is scam. Unless you just want to do a quick video, that's when I use it. Maybe I want to do a quick video. It doesn't last. So this is better when you have light. This is better when you don't have it. Another difference, you cannot be carrying this outside all the time. It is not as portable. It looks small, oh, when you hold it in your hand. It looks really small, but By the time you start carrying it around, you know that this thing is heavy and it's kind of, it takes a lot of space compared to this. So if you are going out, you cannot carry this when you are going out, because number one, it doesn't even have battery. They are last. Unless you can buy a very good battery. This is what you take out. This one stays indoors. Let's go to the brightness and the work that this one does. For this, you don't need to support any light with it. You can just use one light. I'll drop maybe one of my TikTok videos that I've made with only this light. You will see the difference. And I'm going to drop another video that I'm going to make with this light in the dark. Oh, I'm not going to use any other light, just this light. I'm going to put down my window and show you the difference. You see that this one is 𝒻𝑜𝓊𝓃𝒹. You don't need any other light with it. It does the job for you. Just one light. You don't even need a ring light. I bought this light with a ring light. Now the ring light is just there. I don't even use the ring light. I use only this to film my videos. I just use the ring light when I want my videos to be extra bright, because the weather too changes your videos, your lighting. So sometimes you might need a ring light with this to make it more bright, or to, sometimes you might have shadows in some places that you don't want. So this will give you that extra, adding the extra ring light will give you that extra light. But with this one, it's not as bright as they say it is. Do you get what I'm saying? It's not as bright as they say it is. You still need some type of light to support it. So I'm going to drop two videos here now, so you can see the difference. The Amazon clip lights, you can see the difference in the way the videos look. You can see that with the Amazon light, you have a lot of shadows and it doesn't really brighten your face, doesn't really do much for your face. But with the LED 600 lights, you can see that everything looks perfect. So let's talk about the price now. I got this at trade fair market. I think with the that day I was rushing, so I didn't really know the actual price. But with it came with a tripod and the battery set and the charger. So everything together is like 25 to 30k sha. It's like almost 30k, let's just say 30k. I got this on Aliexpress. This clip light is on Aliexpress, and with everything, even with the dollar rate, without dollar rate it's probably going to be like 10k, but with dollar rate, and I use them, I think I use cheaper to pay. Cheaper, their rate is very expensive, guys. If you watch my last video on how to make payments with cheaper, please go and open payday, because cheaper is so expensive now. I don't know what's wrong with them. That today their rate was 830. Can you imagine? So I got this around, let's say 16,500 or so. I'm not sure. I'll try and do the calculation to show you guys the actual price. So it's cheaper. It's like 10k cheaper than this one. So it really depends on the type of content you want to create. Guys, comment down below which one you think you are going for. What type of content do you create, and which one do you think fits the type of content you create? And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hey, Joe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before June. And guys, as I always say, I help people buy things from Aliexpress. So if you're having issues with your payments and you still can't get a dollar card, just send me a DM. My information is going to be in the description. So send me a DM and I can help you buy things from Aliexpress. Also, guys, please follow me on all my social media. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love and the support, and I appreciate you for subscribing. If you're already subscribed, if you have not subscribed, subscribe now. Subscribe now. I don't know why you don't want to subscribe to this beautiful face. I don't understand. But please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be dropping a tutorial soon, maybe in the next 2 weeks, because I'm procrastinating too much. I don't understand. But guys, thank you for watching. I love you so much. Bye.